What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro charging case. This is an absolute game changer. I've been using my GoPro 13 for content creation for about the last, I don't know, year or so. And it's working out great, but I always wanted a way to charge some extra batteries really efficiently. You can put two in here, really easy. They just pop right in and out. It has a charging cable or charging port on the back that you just put a USB-C into and charges them really quick. It takes about an hour to get both batteries charged. You can see it has some battery light indicators, so you can see the charge of each battery. It also has a rubberized bottom, which is really helpful. I've been living out of my van for the past 4 years and things move around a lot, but this actually helps it stay really connected to the surface that I put it on. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to charge your GoPro batteries, this is really helpful. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.